I don't know. Did the Rooster Bunny come?
What?
What?
Where is he?
Did he come?
He's home. I don't know where he is.
I think he might have just dropped stuff off and left. Did you check? Check your Easter basket. Did he put anything in your Easter basket?
Where's your Easter basket?
Where's your Easter basket?
Right here.
Oh, I think there's another one. I see the carton of eggs. The eggs aren't in there anymore. What's that basket over there? Did he put something in that basket?
The Easter Bunny took the egg.
He did?
Oh, no!
He ate carrots, too. He put carrots in there? He stole our carrots. He ate some carrots. He must have been hungry.
Then he ate some broccoli.
He ate broccoli?
Pink.
Well, what did he put? Did he put something over there in that basket?
Mommy, he put your candy in there.
He put my candy in there?
No, it don't go in there.
It doesn't? Maybe that was really for you. What else did he put in there? Anything good?
He gave me this.
More candy? Ugh, that Easter Bunny.
Daddy, the Easter Bunny stole the egg.
Well, let's go see. Why don't you get your little bunny basket or your basket there and see if we can go find the eggs. Maybe he hid them outside.
Oh.
You need a basket to put them in. Why don't we take that one?
Yeah, but there's a lollipop in there.
Okay, let's take the lollipop out.
I want you to have this lollipop.
Okay, thank you. Let's go see if he hid the eggs outside.
Okay.
I would go out the back door, 'cause I think that's probably where he went. Oh my gosh, there's carrots on the ground out here. He put carrots on the ground. Look.
Oh.
He was out here.
I found one. I found one.
You did. Oh my goodness.
One over here.
He put them everywhere, didn't he?
He told me he's hiding them out here.
Where else? Are there more out there somewhere?
Indy. I
What?
don't see a blue one for Indy.
Oh my goodness.
Indy, a blue one for you.
They're right there by your feet. You still have the same clothes on you had on last night. You fell asleep in your clothes last night.
I wanted to.
Good. Well,
There's some baskets.
that Easter Bunny was busy hiding eggs, wasn't he? Too bad he didn't plant our summer grass for us. Look, I think I might see one over there somewhere. Not that far back. Look over in those plants. Look in the plants right here by the house. Is there one over there? What color? Oh my goodness. You might look up a little bit higher. I think the Easter Bunny might go up in the trees sometimes too. Let's come back this way.
Okay.
I don't know. I think he got creative. Where else? Is there any in the trees somewhere maybe?
There's one in your plant.
Oh my goodness, that crazy bunny.
That's really funny.
He is silly.
I think there's some out there.
What about over here somewhere?
Where? There's one.
Oh my goodness, in that tree? I see one. Oh my goodness, that Easter Bunny. I see another one right here.
Where?
Not way high.
Where?
Look. Look up. Just not too high. Can you get it?
Got it.
Wow, that Easter Bunny went high on that one, didn't he?
Yeah, I think he jumped higher in that tree.
I think so too. Well, I think there's a couple more because I think he hid 9 eggs. Somebody ate some last night. Let's go see where else they might be.
I think he hid the eggs over there.
I don't think he went out of our yard. Let's go over and see if there's any by the other plants. He seems to like the plants. He's a smart bunny, huh?
Yeah, I like bunnies.
Me?
Where did he came? He came from the fireplace. But there's one over here. I see one.
Oh my gosh, that crazy rabbit.
This one for you, Mom.
That is Mom's. Well, set it in there. Good job.
Maybe the rooster bunny hide some more.
Well, I think there's only one more because he only hid 9, and I think you've got 8 in there. Where could one more be? Is there another plant somewhere that he might have hidden it in?
I think he hide one more.
My goodness, where would it be? Hi, Andy Bobby. There's the Easter dog.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Where do you think? He likes plants. Are there any more plants that we didn't look at? Is there another planter we didn't see?
He's in my plant.
He's in yours? Oh my goodness.
For me.
Wow. So look at that. You found them all. The rooster bunny hid all your eggs and you found them.
Yeah, I think there's one more.
What?
I think there's a yellow.
No, I think that's all of them because I counted 9 last night when I put them out, and he hid them all.
I think there's some more. I think the rooster bunny hides the kids one.
Oh.
I think we have to find some more.
Well, we'll have to wait, and we need to get ready to go to church.
Oh, Mom.
Mhm.
And you.
Mhm.
And Daddy.
Mhm. So say Happy Easter, everybody. Here.
Oh, I have to get all these eggs to everyone.
Yeah, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.